This video is going to show you how to create a holding div. This is a div that contains all other divs and centers your web page in the middle of the browser window. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by going to the edit menu and go to preferences and go to the category which is called AP elements and just check that I have a tick in here for nesting. This ensures that all divs will nest and move their positioning within inside my holding div. Okay, now I can go to the insert menu and select draw an AP div. I can draw a div out on the page. I'm just going to select it and then I can come and set some properties for it. So I'm going to call it holding and I'm just going to set up its positioning. So I'm going to set it to 0 and 0 for Allen T, so it sits up in the top corner. Just going to click on its edge again and then I can set its width. So I'm going to choose 960, and that's going to be the width of my web page, and I'm just going to choose a height as well of 720 for this particular AP div. Now I need to get that to center in the middle of the browser window. To do that, I need to make sure that I've got my CSS styles panel window open and that I'm working here on all, and that I've got, of these three little icons down here, I've got this one selected, show only set properties. I'm going to click on the little plus symbol, see my div named here called holding. I'm going to select that and then I'm looking for some properties that I can change for it. Now if you can't see all of your properties, it's because your panel windows are too crowded. So I'm just going to double click right here where it says files. That will cause the files panel window to collapse. I can now see the properties that I need to set. I'm going to change the absolute for positioning to relative, and I'm going to add a property which is going to be margin, and its value is going to be auto. That will then center this div in the middle of my page and center the web page in the middle of the browser window.